For thousands of years, this humble nut has been nourishing civilizations and tantalizing taste buds. But the almond isn't just delicious, it's also packed with health benefits that might surprise you. Let's crack open the fascinating story of the almond. What do you call almond in your language? Please write in the comment section below. Thank you. In orchards bathed in golden light, where almond blossoms bloom so bright, whispers float upon the breeze, tales of ancient, cherished trees. Our almond adventure begins in ancient times. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and jokes. Please subscribe. Thank you. Wild almonds first appeared in the Levant region over 5,000 years ago. Almonds were imported to Egypt from Armenia or Persia during the New Kingdom period, making them a rare and exotic commodity. Their scarcity contributed to their status as a luxury item. From ancient lands, their journey vast, through sands of time, they've held steadfast. Symbol of life, in cultures deep, where dreams and health forever keep. Almonds mixed with raw honey is a very healthy treat. The conquest of Western Asia by Alexander the Great in 450 BCE introduced almonds to Greece. The word almond originates from the ancient Greek word amygdale, which referred to the almond tree and its fruit. Later, with the rise of the Roman Empire, almonds spread to other northern Mediterranean states. Late Old English name as amygdals, which referred to modern name almonds. Ancient civilizations revered almonds for their nutritional value and longevity-promoting properties. Egyptians prized almonds as a symbol of life, while the Greeks considered them a source of energy and brain power. The Romans were familiar with almonds by the 1st century CE and used them for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Silk Road trade routes as they expanded, so did the almond's reach. By the 8th century, almond trees were flourishing across the Mediterranean and into Europe. Monks cultivated almonds in monastery gardens, recognizing their health benefits and aiding digestion and providing sustenance during times of fasting. In crunchy shells, a treasure found, a taste that makes the world resound. Rich in nutrients, they grace each bite, a gift from nature's gentle might. By the Renaissance time, almonds became a symbol of prosperity and were featured in lavish banquets across Europe. In delicious and healthy desserts. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Botticelli immortalized almonds in their works, depicting them as a sign of abundance and fertility. Ancient almond trees adorning the town square, symbolizing unity and abundance. An ancient painting of almonds. Almonds were introduced to California much later, in the mid-1700s, by Franciscan padres who brought them from Spain. However, it took about a century for almond cultivation to become successful in California due to climate challenges. In the heart of California's Central Valley, among the gently swaying blooming almond trees, lies a tale as old as civilization itself, the story of almonds. Today, California produces over 80% of the world's almonds. Almonds continue to be celebrated not only for their rich history but also for their numerous health benefits. Packed with nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, almonds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Just a handful of almonds provides 6 grams of protein, 3.5 grams of fiber, 75 milligrams of calcium, 14 grams of heart-healthy fats. Let's look at how almonds can boost your health. Dark chocolate bar with almonds is a very heart-healthy dessert. Health benefits. Heart helper. Almonds can lower bad cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. Weight management alley. Despite being calorie-dense, almonds may actually help with weight control by keeping you feeling full. Blood sugar balancer. The magnesium and fiber in almonds can help regulate blood sugar levels. Brain booster. Rich in vitamin E and other nutrients, almonds support cognitive function. Gut health guardian. Almonds act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your digestive system. Baked, toasted, or pure and plain, in every form, they bring a gain. For heart and mind, they stand sublime, a wellness boost through endless time. From almond milk to almond flour, there are countless ways to incorporate this nutritional powerhouse into your diet. Just remember, moderation is key. A serving is about 23 almonds. Delicious recipe: homemade almond flour bread. Prep time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Total time: 1 hour. Ingredients: 2 cups almond flour, 1/2 cup ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup olive oil or melted butter, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup warm water. Instructions: preheat oven and prepare pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. It can be round or square, and you can line it with parchment paper, leaving some overhang for easy removal later. Mix dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine almond flour, ground flaxseed, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Combine wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together eggs, olive oil or melted butter, apple cider vinegar, and warm water. Mix batter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until well combined. Mix well to ensure even distribution of all ingredients. The batter will be thick and sticky. Transfer to pan. Spoon the batter into the prepared loaf pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula or the back of a spoon. Bake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 40–45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool and serve. Allow the bread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then carefully lift it out using the parchment paper overhang and transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and enjoy. It is very tasty and healthy. Enjoy your homemade almond flour bread, packed with nutty flavor and wholesome goodness. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, in a salad, or as part of your favorite recipes, almonds continue to enchant us with their rich history and enduring health benefits. Now it is time for my almond jokes. Why did the almond go to college? Because it wanted to be a nutty professor know-it-all. What's an almond's favorite type of music? Nut rock. Why did the almond sit in the corner at the party? It was a little nutty shy. Why did almond miss a class? Because he wants to be a naughty, nutty nut. Stay very happy, adventurous and nutty healthy. I will see you in my next very nutty nutritious episode. Cherish almonds, small and grand, in every meal, they take a stand. From past to present, let's extol this nut of grace, this almond soul. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.